Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and on tonight's video I want to make a little simple bud vase out of yew wood. So at the minute there I've got the Easy Woods mid-size finisher, just getting this piece into round. I am running the lathe at just under 2000 RPM at the moment. And this Easy Wood cutter is just making short work of this, and we are just trying to get this to some type of shape, and then coming in with the mid-size rougher there just to create the tenon. So we'll be flipping this round and putting it in the Easy Wood chuck. And there's the detailer, just creating that dovetail, and there it is, flipped round. So back to the mid-size finisher now, and I'm just shaping this so I can in a little while drill the end out. And now starting to expose more and more of that really nice colouring that comes with yew. I do try to leave some of the sapwood on the base, just because it gives it a little bit of contrast. There we go, shape's pretty much almost there now, and just getting ready for the Jacob's chuck, and I'm using a 10.5mm drill bit on this one. Just make sure you haven't got your lathe speed too high. I tend to run around 500, 550, just advancing a little bit, pulling it out now, as you can see. Just clean off those shavings, because the last thing you want is for it to overheat, and you can get a drill bit stuck, and it's not nice. And now with the mid-size #1 hollower. Even on a bud vase you can use the #1 hollower. And there we go, look, just giving it a bit of shape there. And now to finishing off the dimensions of the base. Just working away that sapwood at the moment. And there we go, you can just start to see the heartwood starting to come through. You can just see that colour change coming. Like I said, I didn't want to go too fast. I did want to leave some of that in. I think it adds a little bit more character to it. I think it just needs that little bit more, so I do a couple more passes after putting the no-go line in there, just to be able to define the shape now of the bottom before sanding. Just a few more cuts. At least I'm not going to go for the bottom of it, so it's not a one last cut, as it were. And back again, just to clean up that bottom. And now on to sanding, and here's the Klingspor Abrasives from 120 up to 240. This is the J-Flex. I do like this one. You just rip it off, you can make whatever size you want out of it. It is brilliant sandpaper. Now with the pre-thinned cellulose sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Before putting this on, I did clean off with denatured alcohol or methylated spirits, whichever side of the pond that you're on. Put this coat on, I allowed it to sit for 10 minutes, and then I put another on, ready for the Yorkshire Grit. Now just working that Yorkshire Grit in there, lathe speeds at 500, and just working that in, and then speeding it up slowly to around 1200, 1000, 1200, whatever, and give that a final buff. And wait till it comes off clean, and it's done. And now on to the last step for this vase, which is the Hampshire Sheen High Gloss Wax. Really thin coat, that's all you need. Just keep rubbing it in. As soon as that cloth starts to go tacky, you know that the solvents have worn off, and you can just come back with a nice little cloth. No pressure, not a lot of pressure anyway, and just buff that Hampshire Sheen in, and you can start to see the shine there. You can actually see the light halfway down. Now it's all the way down, and it just gets clearer and clearer the more you start to work this in. Like I say, not too much pressure, because you just take it all off, and don't put too much on because you'll just end up taking all that off as well. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and if you could be so kind, leave us a comment below. Thanks again, see you next time, bye bye.